Now children, in the previous sessions we have discussed some applications of sets where only two sets were involved. This is another example where I am taking three sets. This is question number 16 from miscellaneous exercise. It talks about, in short I have written the question here. It talks about a group of people where some people are liking product A, some are liking product B, some are liking product C. I have used the notation ABC for them. A for people liking product A, B for people liking product B, and C for people liking product C. Moreover, it is given that number of people liking product A is 21, number of people liking product B is 26, number of people liking product C is 29. Those who like both A and B, such people are 14, and number of people liking product C and A, both, they are 12, and number of people liking both the product B and C, that is 14. And those who like all the three, they are 8. Now using these conditions, we have to find how many liked product C only. Okay, you will see the whole condition I have expressed in the form of Venn diagram. We have taken three sets, A, B and C, and the various regions are denoted by a certain letter. Okay, if you look at this figure very carefully, you will be able to locate which region is denoting C only. If you see, this entire set is C, but it has got four parts. Okay, in this part, it contains those elements which are shared with A. Here it contains those elements which are shared with B. This part is containing that element which is shared with B as well as A. This is the only region which is strictly belonging to the set C, which is not shared with other parts. So you have to actually calculate the value of small c. You will see the way I am going to solve it now using this data. That way, if you come to know what are the values of all these, you will be able to answer any of the question, whether it is how many liked only product A, how many liked product A and B but not C. Look at this part. This is intersection of A and B. If I ask you how many liked product A and B, but that person should not like C. So people liking product A and B are B and E. And in this, E is the one which likes product C also. So that means we have to find only small b. So we are going to learn how to evaluate all these so that all the answers can be attended to. I'll rewrite these conditions using something else. I'll start with the last condition. It says number of elements in A intersection B intersection C is 8. So small e is denoting that part. So we know the value of small e, it is 8. Then moving on to the second last, it says number of people in B and C, that is 14. So this group contains only, B and C, this part we have to take. F plus E is denoting the number of people in B intersection C. It is 14 and just now we calculated E. So F can be found. It is 14 minus 8, which is 6. Then the previous one, those in the intersection of A and C. This is the part which denotes intersection of A and C. So D plus E is 12. Again, because E is known to us, 12 minus E. That means 12 minus 8 comes out to be 4. So we know what is D also. Then those in the intersection of A and B, that is B plus E. B plus E is 14. Again, because E is known to us, so B is 14 minus 8, which is 6. So you can quickly see 4 of the values are already evaluated. Then moving on to the number of people in C. That is how much? 29. Let us quickly look at the figure and see which part is denoting people in the region C. So it is D plus F plus E plus G. This is equal to 29. So whichever values are known to you, they can be substituted and unknown can be evaluated. We know what is D, it is 4. And then F we calculated, which came out to be 6. Then we have solved for E. We know E, it is 8 plus G will be 29. So G can be calculated. It is 29 minus 18. That comes out to be 11. And the answer is obtained. So therefore, number of people liking product C only is equal to 11. So we are done with the problem here. But you can see we can still have a scope for finding other things, like if I go back to this condition, number of people in B is 26. You look at the region denoting, the terms denoting number of people in B, it will include small b plus c plus e plus f. So this is 26. Substitute the values known to you. B is 6. Then C we don't know. E is 8. F came out to be 6 again. So this is 26. So small c will be 26 minus 6 plus 6, 12 plus 8, 20. So 26 minus 20, it is 6. So those who liked only product B will be small c, 6. In the same way, if we go to another condition given to us, number of people in A, which denotes A plus B plus D plus E. So this is 21. A we are not aware of, but rest we can write. B is 6, D is 4, E is 8. So the sum is equal to 21 and A comes out to be 21 minus 18. That is 3. There are 3 people who liked only product A. So you can see each of the terms are obtained. Now whatever question can be put, that can be answered